Hi there, this is Trailrider 570 coming at you with a video on the Blazer. And also, check in the description of this video for a promo code for FMS models, and just enter that promo code, and you'll get something. I can't remember the exact discount, but it'll be there because I'm now an affiliate with them, as well as I have an Amazon account, Amazon affiliate as well. But anyway, today we're going to be installing, I would call them rock lights. You can see I got the covers off, front and rear. The lights are laying here. And we're going to be installing, this will be a quick video on installing these things, because the only thing I got left coming for it is I got different rock sliders coming for it. It'll be here tomorrow. So, but anyway, I'll set you up and then we'll get going here. Excuse my camera angles. Let's see here. There we go. Trying to do this so you see more of it than just, we're dealing with the car, not me in the picture. So anyway, guys, these rock lights go easy. You just pull these covers off. Then we just kind of, these lights, they fit right where the covers were. So you use the original screws over. Real easy. If I don't, I call them rock lights, underglow rock lights. You can call them what you want. It's like that. The back's done. Then we're going to go up, follow it up here. We're going to install this one. I got the cover. Take the cover off. We're going to install this one, and you got to do these accordingly because of the wiring. So the wiring will clear, obviously. We're going to be installing, let's see here. Yeah, we're going to be installing these. They got, if you got a fender kit, I put a fender kit on this one. If you got a fender kit, it's actually made to accept these rock lights. We'll get them all installed. Then what we do afterwards, I got to clean up the wiring, of course. So then we got to go get these wires straightened out here. See, if we go this way, I think we need to go this way. They give you an instruction sheet, but I'm a guy, I don't read them. No, I looked at pictures. I mean, it's pretty much self-explanatory. Actually, they're already plugged in, so hooked up. This has that bus bar set up on it, so it's like that. For some reason in the back, they only put one screw to hold them on. The rest of them are held on with multiples. Let's see here. Then we're going to put this one right here. This truck's getting down to the end of what I'm going to do to it. From this point on, I think once the sliders show up, it's just going to be, I'm going to try to enjoy it. Just use it. I'm going to have to get that scoop out of the way here. We go this way or we go this way? Let's see here. I think we'll go inboard with the wiring, only because, like I say, afterwards I'll clean up the wiring. lights, they pretty much got only one place they can go, how they route. So they got them pretty much. I'm sorry if they weren't watching what I was doing. I apologize. Then this one here is going to go over here. Put this screw in right here. Yeah, and I got these fenders. I said, "Wow, cool! They got places to put lights in." I have rock lights on my Ranger as well. So, okay, we got there. We got one screw left. Let's see if I can figure out where it goes. Oh, because we got one more light. It goes right here. Just like that. Now I just got to clean up this wires. Can attach to my rock lights. I got my driver in here and he's kind of in the way, but nothing I can do about him at the moment. Let's move his feet around so I can get in behind him. We're just kind of neaten up this wiring the best we can. Because obviously it's under the body. They do give you some tie wraps, which is cool. Like I say, like I said, I put an inner fender kit on this chassis. It didn't have one. I wanted inner fenders. It just adds this to the scale look. What I do is shoe glue's my friend. We don't want to glue it to put a little dab of shoe glue on the chassis and stick the wire in it. And the wiring, when the glue dries, we're all set. I got more tie wraps, so if I use all, they give you 3, but I want to neaten that up a little bit better than 3, so we'll cut tails off. We'll cut this right here, and we'll put that right in the shoe glue. Take my shears. I did that before, not thinking, and I cut my flipping wire. I cut a wire. I could have just, I'll just cut it. And I got, next thing I know, I'm looking, oh shit, it's in 2 pieces. So that wasn't the cool thing to do. Alright, I gotta come up with couple more tie wraps. Then it's installed, basically. And I'll give you a little demonstration of what it looks like. We'll just neaten up these wires just a little bit here. I also got to make sure that these wires are safe from the battery. Putting the battery in and out. One thing about it, it's underneath the body. You won't see them unless the body's off it. Tie wrap here. I don't even know where I got these from. Oh no, I got some tie wraps. I think somebody left them here at one time or something. And just like that. Maybe one more. I like the black ones. I don't know if you noticed or not, the blacks, these black tie wraps on these, they have UV protectant in them. That's why if you use them on any application, I'm retired boat service tech, and we always use black. If you use white tie wraps, they'll last maybe, oh, I don't know, maybe a year, and the sun breaks them down. Where if you use the black ones, they actually got protectant in them and they last longer. So that's why I always use black. You don't necessarily have to really get this wire done up here so that he doesn't trip over it, you know, he's driving. He does have bendable legs. I can't go like that. He's got a seat belt on. He's not permanently attached to the seat. And I found the seat on Amazon. Over here, we'll be all set. It's kind of a hard spot to get with a small tie wrap. There we go. Got it. And like I say, I've replaced the ESC in this. Let's see here. ESC motor, went through the axles, greased everything that needed to be greased, put inner fenders on it. I got full skid plates underneath it. You can see them right here on the differentials, and in the front, the center, the differential, and the rear there's one. So I got full skid plates on it now. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get the body, which the body has been all redone. I've replaced all the decals on it, buffed it out. It was quite bad when I got the truck. Okay, got our lighting plugged in, and we'll put him back in. He needs to get in his driving position here. Now you can't see me doing this, but that's what I'm doing. Face when he's doing his trail rides. You see him, not the wire. He sits back in the seat a little bit. That's the only thing that wasn't that fond of, but you know, got limited space to fit him in there. Now he's put the body clips in there. He got some compound here because I'm working on the body today. Just like that. That's how quick it installs, actually. It's already installed. And let's see here. That's how quick it installs. And just like that, then if we go in here now, there you go. Look at, see the lights? Let me turn the garage lights out a little bit. Yeah. They're LED lights too, so it shouldn't affect it as much. I'm gonna close the door, darken it up in here. You can see my headlights are on. See how the bottom side is all lit up? Look at that. I'll turn them off and you can see what it looks like before. See how dark it is now? Look at it. Now turn them on. And it lights up the whole underside of it. You can see them right there, shining through the back. So it's all lit up. Just like that. That was the quickest and easiest install I've had so far. Like I say, I got rock sliders coming for it, and that's it. This thing's done. No more. Put enough into it. Just going to take it out and use it. And you notice it's got different wheels on for my videos. I kind of go back and forth. I kind of like these on it. So for now, we're going to leave these on it. But you can see. So this is Traxxas. I mean, I just destroyed this thing getting it out. You can order these from Amazon, but they're Traxxas lights. If you zoom in, I think right there is the part number. You may have to stop the video to see it, but it wasn't that pricey. So, yep, they're all installed. So, anyway, guys, that's it for now. This is just a quick video. It's kind of dark in here. We'll go back and open doors and turn lights on again. Anyway, guys, this is Trailrider 570 saying that's it for now. And as always, goodbye and God bless. And I will see you on my next video. It could be with a Ranger, or it could be one of these. I'm going back and forth. So, but I appreciate each and every one of you is watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. And but anyway, you can see the truck's all got the lighting in it. So we'll turn them off. But anyway, guys, that's it for now. This is Trailrider 570 saying goodbye and God bless. And I'll see you in the next video.